Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can dress up as a Squid Game player on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to the makeup section and I'm going to put makeup on my face. I'm just going to choose this one, and after we put on makeup, we can go to the hairstyle. And for the hairstyle, I'm going to choose I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to apply this hairstyle. Alright, and now it's time to put outfit on our model. I'm going to add a jacket to my model, so we can go to the jacket section here. I'm going to put on this jacket. Okay, fortunately we can put on this jacket to our model even though I'm not using male model, and just color it to green, this kind of green according to the outfit player on the Squid Game. And you can put this t-shirt as well and change the toggle. I'm going to color it white. Okay, now it's time to put on pants, but wait, we can put shoes first. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to the pants section here, grab this pant for your avatar and color it to green. Okay, I'm just going to choose the green color. I have put it on my avatar before. Okay, alright, and this is the result guys. And I'm going to grab knife as well. We can go to this section and I'm going to click on knife. Oops, put on the knife. Alright, okay guys, and that's all the way to dress up as a Squid Game player. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.